A House, a Home is a famous poem written by Lauren Martha Halley. She is an American poet. Her writing style is simple but very impressive. In this poem, she aims to make a clear distinction between a house and a home. The first stanza is, what is a house? It is brick and stone and wood that is hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. It is eave and chimney and tile floors and stucco and roof and lot of doors. Explanation of this stanza is, according to the poet, a house is a building. It is made up of material like bricks, stone and strong wood. It also have a few other things like window glass, yard, tile floor, roof, decorated plaster walls and a lot of doors. But all these things are non-living things and do not have any feeling and emotions. So all these things do not make a home. The second stanza of the poem is, what is a home? It is loving and family and doing for others. It is brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It is unselfish act and kindly sharing and showing your loved one you are always caring. The explanation of this stanza is, in this stanza, the poet explains home is a loving and beautiful family. It is consists of living beings or family members like fathers, mothers, sisters, and brothers. All these family members have a lot of love and mutual understanding. In home, all these family members share their feelings for each other and care others. So, home is a wonderful place where family live with love and work unselfishly. Now, new words. First is chimney, a vertical channel which conducts smoke and combustion gases through the roof of a building. Yard. Yard is a measuring unit or it may be a garden. Stucco. Stucco is fine plaster used for coating wall surface into decoration. Eaves. Eaves is the part of a roof that overhang the walls of a building. Unselfish. Unselfish means willing to put the needs or wishes of others before one's own. Now, summary of the poem. The poem A House, a Home is written by Lauren M. Halley. In this poem, she makes the difference between a house and a home. According to the poet, a house is just a physical structure that is made up of various non-living things like bricks, stone, wood, glass, door, floor, chimney, decorative walls, etc. It is only a building, whereas a home is a place where family lives. It consists of family members like father, mother, sisters, and brothers. In a home, there is a lot of love, affections, and mutual understanding among all the family members who love, share, and care for each other. Now, theme of the poem. The main theme of the poem is family. Family is the central theme of this poem. Family is considered as an important block of society. It is consists of father, mother, brother, and sister. Each member of a family is very important for the whole family. It is a place where we have love, affection, warmth, share, and care for each other. Living in a family enable one to develop values and ethics which further helps in development of a society. Second theme of poem is love. Love is the element that holds a family together. In a family, there is unconditional love for each other. There is a deep and strong bond between all the members and enriched with the quality of shares and care for each other. Third one is house. House is just a building and made up of bricks, stone, glass, wood, a lot of doors, floor, room, chimney, etc. It is only a physical structure. Home. It is a place where a family lives and a place where we love, care, and share for one another. In a home, there is unconditional love. Now we take the differences between a house and a home. The first difference is that a house is a permanent structure or a building, whereas a home is the place where you live, where you feel that you belong. Second difference is that a house may be a place if no one live there, whereas a home may be a city, town, or a country. The third difference is that a house is merely made up of material things, whereas a home is made with love. The fourth difference is that a house is a place where someone lives, whereas in home, family is an essential part. The fifth difference is that a house we can explain with the help of an example, like there are many new houses in this area, whereas in case of a home we can explain as it is the time to go home. So these are the basic difference between a house and a home. Now we take some questions based on this poem. Do you agree with what the poet says? Talk to your partner and complete these sentences. The first one is a house is made of. The answer is brick, wood, and stone. The second is it has. The answer is window, glass, a yard, roof, chimney, floor, and door with fine paints. Third one, a home is made by. The answer is caring and loving members, father, mother, brother, and sister. Fourth one, it has. The answer is loving and caring people. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my channel.